In the heart of Mistywood, a dragon named Fern had a peculiar problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Every time he tried to nap, a tickle would build, and out came a fiery sneeze, scorching the grass and startling the squirrels. The villagers, worried about their haystacks, brought Fern a gigantic handkerchief. Still, the sneezes persisted. One day, a clever mouse offered him a nose plug made of cheese. To everyone's delight, Fern's sneezing stopped. The villagers cheered, Fern napped peacefully, and the mouse became the village's official problem solver.